Since the dawn of human curiosity, we've gazed into the stars, seeking answers to the greatest mysteries of existence. Our understanding of the cosmos has always felt incomplete, fragmented by the vastness of space and the limits of our technology. But now, that frontier is shifting. The James Webb Space Telescope, NASA's most advanced tool for exploring the universe, has begun to reveal new and unexpected secrets. And one of those secrets may fundamentally change what we know about our place in the universe. In October 2017, astronomers using the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii noticed something remarkable, a bizarre object traveling through our solar system. This wasn't just any object, though. It was something we'd never seen before, named Oumuamua, meaning scout or messenger in Hawaiian. This interstellar visitor was the first of its kind ever detected. It wasn't orbiting the sun like an asteroid or comet. It was just passing through on a trajectory that had started from somewhere far beyond our solar system. At first glance, Oumuamua was puzzling. Its elongated cigar-shaped body was unlike anything we've seen from objects within our solar system. Most asteroids and comets we know are roughly spherical or irregularly shaped. This visitor, however, measured up to hundreds of meters long, but was oddly narrow, almost needle-like. It moved through space with an unpredictable behavior that left scientists scratching their heads. The mystery deepened as researchers observed its motion. Unlike other natural celestial bodies, Oumuamua didn't follow the expected gravitational path as it approached and passed the sun. Instead, it accelerated, as though something unseen was propelling it. No visible signs of outgassing, a hallmark of comets, were detected. So what was causing this anomaly? Was it something completely natural, or could there be an extraordinary explanation? Some began to speculate. Could this strange object be a piece of alien technology, perhaps a probe sent to explore distant worlds? While the idea of extraterrestrial life might seem far-fetched, Oumuamua's strange behavior continues to defy simple explanations. To understand what Oumuamua really is, we must dig deeper into how it behaves. The acceleration it experienced as it passed through our solar system is unusual. When comets pass near the sun, they often exhibit a phenomenon known as outgassing. The sun's heat causes volatile compounds within the comet to vaporize, creating a force that propels the comet forward. But scientists observed no tail, no visible jets of gas coming from Oumuamua, and yet it sped up as it left our solar system. Could it be that Oumuamua is made of materials unlike anything we've seen before? Or perhaps it's covered in an unknown substance that behaves in unexpected ways. Some researchers believe it's possible that Oumuamua is coated in a layer of hydrogen ice. This would be extremely difficult to detect with our current technology, but if true, it could explain the acceleration. Hydrogen ice sublimates or turns from a solid directly into gas without leaving any visible trace behind. This invisible process could provide just enough of a push to explain the object's speed increase. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's another possibility, one that ventures beyond what we know about space rocks and comets. Could Oumuamua be a relic of an ancient cosmic event? Some suggest that it might be a shard of a planet, long shattered in the distant past, hurtling through space for eons until it finally wandered into our solar system. This theory brings us to an even bigger question. What kind of violent event could have created such an object? Did Oumuamua witness the death throes of a dying star, or was it cast out by the gravity of a massive black hole? As the intrigue around Oumuamua grew, the urgency to gather as much information as possible became paramount. Scientists only had a limited window of time to observe this visitor before it drifted too far away. Ground-based telescopes like Pan-STARRS and the Very Large Telescope in Chile focused their attention on it, capturing as much data as possible. However, Earth-based observations have limitations. That's where NASA's James Webb Space Telescope comes in. The James Webb Space Telescope is unlike anything we've ever built. Its power lies in its ability to capture infrared light, which allows it to see deeper into the cosmos than any other instrument. The telescope is equipped with high-resolution, highly sensitive instruments that can detect faint signals from distant objects, making it the perfect tool for studying interstellar objects like Oumuamua. In the past, we could only theorize about objects like this, but now, with Webb, we can directly observe them. As researchers point the Webb telescope toward deep space, They hope to capture detailed images of Oumuamua, revealing not just its shape but also its composition. What is this object made of? Are there elements or compounds that we've never encountered before? By studying the light reflected from its surface, scientists can begin to answer these questions. The telescope's advanced spectroscopic instruments allow researchers to break down the light into its component parts, providing clues about the materials that make up this enigmatic object. So what do we expect to find? At the heart of this investigation lies the desire to understand whether Oumuamua is a natural object or something more. Could it be an artifact from an advanced civilization, traveling across the stars in ways we can't yet comprehend? While this may seem like science fiction, it's important to remember that our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. What once seemed impossible is now within the realm of scientific inquiry. Still, the most likely explanation is that Oumuamua is a natural object, albeit a strange one. The idea of interstellar visitors is exciting because it challenges our perception of the universe. Until Oumuamua, we had never observed an object from another star system. This means that these interstellar travelers might be more common than we ever imagined, but they've simply gone unnoticed until now. The discovery of Oumuamua opens up a new field of study, one where we begin to examine not just our solar system, but the space beyond it in a much more meaningful way. As we await more data from the James Webb Telescope, it's worth reflecting on what Oumuamua represents. This object is a symbol of the vast, unexplored universe that surrounds us. It's a reminder that our solar system is not an isolated corner of the galaxy, but part of a larger, interconnected cosmic environment. Objects like Oumuamua could be the messengers of distant worlds, carrying with them clues about the formation of planets, stars, and perhaps even life itself. But what if Oumuamua is something more? Could this be a deliberate message sent by an intelligent civilization to explore the cosmos? While most scientists remain skeptical of this idea, it's worth considering how little we truly know about the universe. Advanced civilizations, if they exist, may have technologies that far surpass anything we can imagine. Just as we send probes to distant planets, could other beings be doing the same? Oumuamua might not be a spacecraft, but it could represent the possibility of future discoveries that challenge our understanding of life in the universe. The excitement surrounding Oumuamua doesn't stop here. As we continue to improve our tools for observing the cosmos, more interstellar objects are likely to be discovered. Each one will provide new insights, expanding our knowledge of how objects move through space and the kinds of environments they come from. The James Webb Telescope's ability to observe in unprecedented detail means that the next discovery could be just around the corner. So what will we find when the first clear image of Oumuamua is finally captured? Will it confirm our theories, or will it surprise us in ways we never expected? The truth is, we don't know yet, but that's the beauty of science. Each new discovery opens the door to 1,000 more questions, and with each answer we move a little closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to observe the universe, we can only imagine what other surprises lie in wait. The discovery of Oumuamua is just the beginning. In the coming years, the Webb Telescope will reveal distant galaxies, study exoplanets, and perhaps even detect signs of life beyond our world. But for now, our attention is on this mysterious visitor from the stars, a messenger from the unknown, passing through our solar system, leaving us with more questions than answers. As humanity looks up into the night sky, we're reminded that the universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders. Oumuamua is a symbol of that mystery, a reminder that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what's out there. The James Webb Space Telescope will allow us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. And as we do, we may finally begin to unlock the secrets that have eluded us for centuries. The journey to understand Oumuamua is far from over. With every new piece of data, we come closer to unveiling the truth about this enigmatic object. Whether it's a natural interstellar visitor or something far more extraordinary, one thing is certain: the universe still holds many surprises, and the James Webb Space Telescope is our key to discovering them.